Partial fractions. See, partial fraction last class we discussed non-repeated, repeated and non-factorizable quadratic form. Before starting the partial fraction, I will tell you once again definition. See, the partial fraction is consider what proper fraction. Proper fraction means the degree of the numerator less than the degree of the denominator, we call it as proper fraction. If a proper fraction can be expressed in the form of sum of two or more proper fraction, such type of fractions we call it as partial fractions. And we have done the rules or condition. If they are repeated, one rule, non-repeated, another rule, non-factorizable, third rule. If they are non-repeated, then 1 divided by x plus 1, x plus 2, just concentrate. They are non-repeated, therefore this can be written as a by x plus 1, b by x plus 2. Separate we are doing. If they are repeated, 1 divided by x minus 2 the whole square, we can write this one as a by x minus 2, b by x minus 2 the whole square. This is the condition if they are repeated. If they are non-factorizable, like this x square plus 1, we can't do the factor directly. In this case, we are writing this is in the form of ax plus b divided by x square plus 1. These are the three rules: non-repeated, repeated, non-factorizable quadratic factor. By knowing this now, I will take examples. Such type of examples are usually asked in the exam for 3 marks. Partial fractions. Partial fraction based examples are 3 marks. Usually repeatedly 99% they will give 3 marks question. Okay. First example I will take integration of 1x divided by x plus 1 x plus 2 into dx. Before starting doing this example, very first step is our aim is to verify is it proper fraction or not. See, the partial fraction is exist if and only if it is a proper fraction, otherwise no. Solution. Consider the given fraction x plus 1 x plus 2. Okay. See, here the degree of the numerator is 1. Here multiply what we get is 2. Means naturally the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator. Degree of the numerator is less than the denominator. Therefore, naturally it is which type of fraction? Partial fraction. Okay. So, proper fraction. If it is a proper fraction, we can continue. And see, x plus 1, x plus 2, these two roots are different. Means non-repeated. Non-repeated means you can write this one as a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2. If they are non-repeated. Next step is we have calculated the value of a and b. Very constants. See here LCM x plus 1 x plus 2. Therefore I write as it is x by x plus 1 x plus 2. Here LCM is again x plus 1 x plus 2. But here x plus 1 is there. Which one is not there? X plus 2. That one we have to multiply. A into x plus 2 plus b. X plus 2 is there. Which one is not there? X plus 1. That one we have to multiply. Okay. And both the side denominator same. Get cancel. We get x is multiply. Ax multiply ax plus 2a bx plus b or x. Take x one side, constant one side. Ax plus bx plus 2a plus b. See, ax plus bx means which one is common? X is common. A plus b of x. 2a plus b. And this is x. X plus x. For calculation of a and b, we have to equate the coefficients of x and constants separately. Equate the coefficients of x and constants separate. Okay. Just concentrate here. Coefficient of x, the left hand side coefficient right hand side coefficient of x is what here? A plus b. Correct. Means a plus b is 1. Next, in the left hand side, is there any constant here? No. If it is not there, you have to take it is 0. Please remember that if constant is exists, you can write. If constant is not there, you have to write 0. 0 equal to 2a plus b. Right? Or 2a equal to, or else we can write 2a plus b equal to 0. Or we can write b equal to minus 2. We can write b equal to minus 2. Okay. Put the value of b in this equation. 1 equal to a as it is. What is your b? Minus 2. Minus 2. Means 1 is equal to a minus 2a minus 2. A equal to what you get? Minus 1. Once we know the value of a, we can substitute here. B equal to what? Minus 2 into minus 1. B value we get. Okay. In this way we can calculate the value of a and b. Okay. Next, after knowing the value of a and b, we have to substitute in the given equation. So this is equation 1. Substitute the values of a and b in equation 1. Substitute the values of a and b. We get what we get it is write in only. Replace a as b as. What is your a value? Minus b. Okay. But this is just what we have done, partial fraction. But we want here integration. Therefore, we have to apply integrate. Integrate x divided by x plus 1, x plus 2 dx is minus integration of 1 by x plus 1 dx plus take 2 constant outside 1 by x plus 2 dx. Correct. And we know that if the power of x is linear, if the power of x is 1, we know that we can do the direct integration. That is 1 by x integration is log x. Here instead of x, what is given? X plus 1, we have to apply the above. Plus 2 log of modulus of x plus 2 plus this is the answer. If you want, you can write again another form. See, minus log of x plus 1. According to theory of indices, we know that a to the power x is equal to m. Means x is equal to log m to the base a. Logarithm already we have done. Okay. Next, see if it is n log p, n log p, we can write this one as log of p to the power n. Here minus is multiplied. Therefore, we can write this one as log of x plus 1 to the power minus 1. Here 2 is multiplied, therefore we can write log of x plus 2 square plus 6. Using the property log of p to the power n can be known as n log p. Okay. Next, and these two are in the form of log, and it is what? Log of m plus log of n. Log of m plus log of n can be known as log of m into n. Correct. Means it is x plus 1 to the power minus 1, x plus 1 the square plus 6. And this is log of x plus 1 the whole square divided by x plus 1 plus 6. 1 raised to minus 1 will goes to denominator, then it is plus. In this way, we can do the example of using the method of partial fraction. Next example, I take. Next example is integration of 2 2x divided by x square plus 3x plus 2 dx. Integration of 2x divided by x square plus 3x plus 2. Okay, first step is verify is it proper or improper. See, degree of numerator less than the denominator, therefore it is a improper. Therefore we can write given 2x by x square plus 3x plus, but we have to calculate the factors. See, x square plus 3x plus 2 can be written in the form of factors. Factors are x plus 1, x plus 2. I think you know that how to calculate the factors. Already you know in school level. X square, 2x, x, will get this. Therefore, we can write this one as 2x divided by x plus 1, x plus 2. I think you know that how to calculate this. Next, this is x plus 1, x plus 2. Non-repeated linear factor. If it is non-repeated linear factors, how many number of constants are exist? 2 constants, because this is 2 non-repeated linear factors. Therefore, we can write this a by x plus 1, b by x plus 2. Correct. And take the LCM. This is 2x is a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. I think you understood. A into x plus 2 b. And denominator same, get cancelled. Therefore, I am writing directly. Because this is equation 1. The previous example we have done the same procedure we are using here. Next step is calculate the value of a and b. For that, multiply ax plus 2a bx plus b. See, ax plus bx, which one is common? X. Therefore, we can write a plus b of x. 2a plus b is 2x. Next, compare the coefficients. Compare the coefficients of x and constants. Compare the coefficients of x and constants separately. Compare the coefficients of x and constants separately. We get. See, here coefficient of x is 2. Therefore, 2. Here a plus b. Next. Here 2a plus b. Is there any constant here? No. Therefore, we have to write 2a plus b equal to 0 and a plus b is 1. Okay. Means b equal to what? Here minus 2a. That one we have to substitute. 2 equal to a minus 2a. Means 2 equal to minus a. Means value of a we get minus 2. If you know the value of a, we can substitute here. B is equal to minus 2 into minus 2. Value of b is plus. Correct. Next step is these two values substitute in the equation. Substitute the values of a and b in equation 1. Then we get the answer. Substitute a and b in equation 1. We get substitute 2x divided by x plus 1, x plus 2. What is the value of a? Minus 2 by x plus 1 plus b 4 by x plus 2. Okay, this is. But now I want integration. Therefore, apply both the side integration. Integration. Okay, integration. Next, take minus 2 outside, constant 1 by x plus 1 dx. Plus 4 constant 1 by x plus 2 dx. Correct. And we know that it is a power is what? Linear. The power of x is linear. Therefore, 1 by x integration formula we have to apply. Minus 2, 1 by x integration is log of modulus of x plus 1 plus 4 log of modulus of x plus 2 plus 6. And take the proper definition of logarithm, that is log of p to the power n can be written as n log p. Correct. use that one. Minus 2 we can write log of x plus 1 to the power minus 2 plus log of x plus 2 to the power 4 plus, then we can write because of minus 1 divided by x plus 1 the whole square plus log of x plus 2 the power 4 plus, and log m plus log n we have the formula. Log m plus log n we have the formula, that is log of m into n multiply. Get log of modulus of x plus 2 to the power 4 divided by x plus 1 the square plus, this is how we can do the example. Next example, integration of 3x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 the whole square dx. Integration of 3x minus 1 divided by x minus x plus 2 the whole square dx. This is the given example. Solution given is 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 the whole square. Previous examples are is in the form of non-repeated. Now x plus 2 the whole square means it is repeated linear factor. Therefore, in this case we can write this example is in the form of according to rules x plus 2 plus b by x plus 2 the whole square. Okay, call this is equation 1. And this is 3x minus 1 as before. Same procedure, x plus 2 take the LCM. X plus 2 the whole square. See here already x plus 2 is there. Means only one x plus 2 we need here. A into x plus 2 because already one is there. Therefore we have to multiply. Next plus b here because already there. Next is x plus 2 the whole square. X plus 2 the whole square cancel. 3x minus 1 is multiply. Ax plus 2a plus b. As usual, same procedure you have to apply. Compare the coefficients of constant and x separately. I will not write because you know that the coefficient of x is a. Their coefficient of x is 3. Means 0 into 3. Their constant is 2a plus b. Their constant is minus 1. And apply a is 3 here. 2 into 3 plus b is minus 1. Means b is equal to minus 1. 2 into 3, 6. We take 7 minus 6. B is minus 7. Means we got the value of a and b. Correct. Substitute a and b in equation 1. Correct. As usual, same procedure what we have done. Substitute the value of a and b. Substitute the values of a and b in equation 1. Substitute 3x minus 2, 3x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 the whole square is a 3 by x plus 2 and b minus 7 by x plus 2 the whole square. Apply integration. Integration. Okay. Means this can be taken 3 outside 1 by x plus 2 dx. Plus into minus 7 1 by x plus 2 the whole square. Next, this can be done as integration of x to the power n plus x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus, correct? Integration of x to the power n, we can write x to the power n plus 1. Therefore this can be done as 3 integration of 1 by x plus 2 dx plus, not plus, minus integration of x plus 2, take this numerator is in the denominator, minus 2 dx. Then we are applying this formula, correct? 3 1 by x integration is log x, modulus of x plus 2, minus 7, apply formula x plus 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. This formula we are applying. Okay, next 3 log means we can write it is log of x plus 2 to the power 3 according to properties of logarithm. Next minus 7 x plus 2 to the power minus 1 by minus 1 plus, or we can write log of x plus 2 to the power cube, minus into minus become plus 7, x plus 2 to the power minus 1, it goes to denominator, it is plus. You have to calculate. Such type of examples are usually repeatedly asked in the exam. 3 marks question. Okay. Next, last one pattern example is, okay, integration of x by x square plus 1 x minus 1 dx. Integration of x by x square plus 1 x minus 1 dx. This is x square plus 1 is non-factorizable. This is what? Non-repeated. Therefore we can write this one as solution. I will rewrite this one as x divided by x minus 1 x square plus 1. Both are similar. I will multiply a into b or b into a. Both are similar. First one I will write this one as a by x minus 1 plus x square plus 1 is a non-factorizable quadratic factor. For that we have the formula, that is dx plus c, or divided by x square plus. All this is equation. Next, x is there, I will write x, and here x minus 1 x square plus 1, and a, that a is multiplied by x square plus 1 plus bx plus c is multiplied by x minus 1, and we get x minus 1 x square plus, as usual same procedure. Okay, x minus 1 get cancelled, x multiplied a into x square plus a plus bx square, bx into x, bx square plus into minus bx cx minus c, correct? Ax square plus a bx square minus bx cx minus c. Take x square one side, ax square bx square, which one is common? X square, a plus b of x square. See, ax square bx square, take x square common, we get a plus b. Next, minus bx plus cx means c is plus, b is minus, c minus b of x multiplied with similar, cx minus bx. Next constant plus a minus these two are constant. Okay, this is x. Okay, next step is compare the coefficients of, correct? Compare. Next step is compare the coefficients contain the coefficients of what here? X square, comma x and constants. Okay, separately. Okay, here x square is what? A plus b. But here x square is there? No, x square is not there. If it is not there, we can have it equal to 0. Next here c minus b. Correct, c minus b. Coefficient of x is c minus b. Here 1. Here a minus c. Constant. It is 0. Constant is not there. Therefore, this is next. Here b equal to minus a. B equal to minus a. Next, substitute b equal to minus a here. We will get it is c minus b is minus a. Minus a equal to 1. Or c plus a. C plus a equal to 1. Or we can also write a plus c equal to 1. Correct. A minus c equal to 0 means a equal to c. Correct. What a is c? Substitute here. C plus c is 1. 2c is 1. C is 1 by 2. If c is 1 by 2, a equal to c. Therefore, a value is what? 1 by 2. Okay. Actually, we can calculate the b value. B equal to what? It is minus a. B. A is. Okay. Understood. Next. Substitute the value of ABC in equation 1. Substitute the value of ABC in equation 1. What is your A? A is 1 by 2. B is minus 1 by 2 x plus c. C is 1 by 2. Instead of writing, I am written directly. But we have to, but in exam you have to write, substitute the value of ABC in equation 1 and write another one equation. Please don't manipulate. Okay. Then we can write this one as 1 by 2 1 by x minus 1. Correct. Here what? 1 by 2 is common, take 1 by 2. Get is minus x plus 1 divided by x square plus 1. Correct. Next, this is what? X divided by x minus 1 x square plus 1. Okay. Next, take integration. Integration with respect to x. This is also integration with respect to x. Integration with respect to x. Okay. Next, see, this can be written as 1 by 2 integration of 1 by x minus 1 dx plus 1 by 2. See, this can be written as, it's converted. This can be written as, and then we will make it separate integration minus x by x square plus 1 dx plus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, divide separately minus x as well as 1 with x square plus 1. Okay. Next, see here x by x square plus 1 is there. Here x by x square plus 1 is there. This 1 by x minus 1 we can write directly because 1 by x minus 1 integration is log x. 1 plus x square or x square plus 1 integration is tan inverse x. Only this is the integration we have to calculate. For that I will apply directly. Put x square plus 1 is t. Then we get 2x dx is dt or dx is dt by 2x. Means we will get it is 1 by t. Correct. Therefore, we can write this one as 1 by 2. This is log of modulus of x minus 1 plus into minus plus into minus minus 1 by 2 integration of numerator x, denominator x get cancelled, is 1 by t, 1 by 2t, 1 by t, dx is dt by 2 plus 1 by x square plus 1 is tan inverse x. Okay, still we want to do the integration. See, this one we can't do directly there, that's why we are taking the what? Substitution here. And I have done what here? Differentiation x with respect to t. We have done so many times, that's why I have written directly. This is 1 by 2 log of modulus of x minus 1 minus c, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4, and integration of 1 by t, integration of 1 by t is log t, log t plus tan inverse x plus c, and replace t in terms of x, we will get this 1 by 2 log of modulus of x minus 1 minus 1 by 2 log of x square plus 1 plus tan inverse x plus c. Okay, in this way we can do the examples. So many examples are there. We do homework based on that partial fractions. I think now you are understood how we can do the examples based on partial fractions. Thank you.